What if your bank balance could grow while you sleep? Imagine waking up richer than when you went to bed. No hustle, no stress. It's like having your money work harder for you, even when you're catching those Z's. We're talking about the power of passive income, and I'm going to show you exactly how people are already doing this in 2025. We're diving deep into 7 proven strategies that can turn your sleep time into money-making time. It's about creating multiple streams of revenue that don't require constant attention. Stick around because strategy number 4, it's something 90% of people overlook. So, if you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and start building a life of financial independence, then buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right into these 7 game-changing passive income strategies. Let's kick things off with a classic strategy: dividend investing. It's about playing the long game, building wealth steadily over time. Think of it like owning a piece of a company that pays you just for being a part of it. You buy shares of established, reliable companies, what we call blue-chip stocks. Think Coca-Cola, Apple, Johnson & Johnson, companies that have been around for decades and consistently pay out dividends to their shareholders. The real magic happens when you reinvest those dividends. Instead of pocketing the cash, you use it to buy more shares. Over time, your investment grows exponentially, all while you sleep. The key here is to start small and stay consistent. So do your research, find those solid, dividend-paying companies, and watch your money grow while you sleep. Now let's talk about real estate, specifically rental properties. It's a proven way to generate consistent passive income month after month. Owning rental properties isn't just about building equity, it's about creating a steady stream of cash flow that flows directly into your bank account. From traditional long-term rentals to platforms like Airbnb, the options are endless. You can make it completely passive by hiring a property manager. With the right property manager in place, owning rental properties can become a truly hands-off way to generate passive income. You collect rent checks while they handle the day-to-day operations. Alright, let's dive into the world of digital marketing with affiliate marketing. This strategy is all about leveraging your online presence to promote products or services you believe in, and earning a commission for every sale you drive. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, deal with inventory, or handle customer service. You find a company or product you love and sign up for their affiliate program. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key to success in affiliate marketing is authenticity. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and make a purchase through your affiliate links. Chapter 4. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Let's talk about a strategy that I personally love: creating and selling digital products. This is the epitome of passive income because you create the product once, and it can generate income for years to come with minimal effort. The beauty of digital products is that there are no physical limitations. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or storage. It's all digital, which means you can sell an unlimited number of copies without any additional costs. Think about your skills, knowledge, and passions. What can you create that others would find valuable? Once you've created your digital product, there are countless platforms where you can sell it. The best part? Once your digital product is created and listed, it can generate passive income for years to come. Chapter 5. Online courses. Turn your knowledge into profit. Let's talk about a passive income stream that's absolutely booming: online courses. This is all about packaging your knowledge, skills, or expertise into a digital format and selling it to a global audience. Think about it. What are you good at? What do you know that others would pay to learn? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to coding, marketing, or even personal finance. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create your online course. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it incredibly easy to create and sell online courses. The beauty of online courses is that they can generate passive income for years to come. Chapter 6. Print on Demand, Merch Without the Hassle. Now let's dive into the world of print on demand, a fantastic option for those who love design and want to create passive income without dealing with inventory or shipping. With print on demand, you can design custom merchandise, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it, and sell them online without ever touching a physical product. You create your designs using online design tools or your own software, and you partner with a print-on-demand company like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. When someone places an order for your product, the print-on-demand company prints it, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. The key to success with print-on-demand is to create unique, eye-catching designs that resonate with your target audience. Chapter 7. High-yield savings and automation, the foundation of financial freedom. Let's talk about the unsung heroes of passive income high-yield savings accounts, CDs, and automated investing apps. High-yield savings accounts and CDs offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, which means your money grows faster without any effort on your part. Automated investing apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood make investing accessible and effortless. These apps round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. The key is to automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. Chapter 8. Start building your passive income empire today. There you have it, 7 powerful passive income strategies that can help you make money while you sleep. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to take action. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? What are you going to implement today to start building your passive income empire? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're serious about taking control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos packed with even more wealth-building strategies. Start building your money machine, even while you sleep.